Hello everybody, I'm Assistant Professor Swejal Sharma from Sage University, Bhopal. Today I'll be briefing you about the concept of social structure. We have heard this word a lot but never heard what exactly it is. So let's begin with the process. So social structure, the word social in the social structure stands for society and structure stands for construction of a building. The one renowned sociologist Herbert Spencer was the first to come up with the concept. He called what society as an organism. He stated that it is made up of what organic structure and evolution. Later on, many sociologists have the similar concept, but some differed too. And once he gave the statement, Emile Durkheim also tried to give one futile definition about the same. So, what exactly he meant, like the organism, in organism, the composition is of cell. Then the cluster of cell form the tissue, and the cluster of tissues form the muscle. So is the society. And he also stated that as the organism were firstly unicellular, then they became multicellular, so is the society started with very simple and form. Then it became complex by each generation or by each decade. It kept on growing. So let's see some of the definition by the renowned sociologist. First one is of Talcott Parson. He stated that social structure applies to the particular arrangement of interrelated institutions, agencies, and social patterns, as well as the status and roles which each person assumes in the group. He even stated that it to be what like vague in nature, which is not absolute, the social structure. Then the various modes of grouping together comprise the complex pattern of the social structure was said by McIver and Page. Ginsberg also quoted one of the definition. The study of social structure is concerned with the principle of form of social organization, that is type of groups, association, and institution, and the complex of these that constitute society. Obviously, so we get the gist about what these sociologists think about it. Now let's get to the meaning. So it is abstract and intangible phenomena. Obviously, you cannot see it, but you can feel it. That is why it is abstract. Individuals are the unit of association, like cells are the basic unit to form an organism. Here, the individuals are the same. These institution and association are interrelated in particular arrangement. Obviously, one cell is interrelated to another cell. That is why they form the cluster of cells, and that's why and that is how tissue is formed. It refers to the external aspect of society, which is relatively stable as compared to the functional or internal aspect of the society. Obviously, your relationship with other should be mellow. That's how you can form the association. That's what he meant. Social structure is a living structure which is created, maintained for a time and changes. Obviously, it is some like the structure is different right now and after a decade it will be different. That is the basic meaning of the social structure. It is maintained for a time and then it changes. I hope the meaning of the social structure is clear to you, and for the statements you can obviously take a screenshot of the definition. Thank you everybody.